Hello, today I will show how to make a manual counter using JavaScript. You can run it on web browser on the desktop. You can also open browser on your mobile phone as well. Mobile-friendly code will work it for you. Let's open my Atom interpreter to write the HTML code. HTML snippet will populate the generic HTML code for any web page. I have inserted a metacode here to make the web page mobile-friendly. You may define the title of your web page. I name it as Manual Counter. I shall use paragraph tag for showing the digits of counter application. Its ID is demo. I am using CSS inline command to style the output. Margin left command will provide a margin of 130 pixels from left. I have defined font size as 70 pixels. The initial value of paragraph to be displayed is 0. Close the paragraph tag. Also add break tag to provide one-line spacing. Now I shall write code for two CSS buttons to be used in the counter application. Button tag is used to write code for button. On click I have added an event function with name add. I will define the function under JavaScript code later. Similarly to previous, I have defined the left margin and text size for the button and its text. Button label is press. Button close tag as well as a few line break tags to provide some extra vertical spacing to the button. Similarly, add another button. Change button on click function to reset. Change label of button to reset accordingly. Time to add a few lines of JavaScript for our function as I have just used for two buttons. Count variable with 0 value is defined. First, I will define the add function. Whenever the function add is called, the count variable with 0 value will be increment by 1. Document.getElementById command will modify the value of paragraph with ID as demo. If you remember, the value of paragraph is 0, which will be changed as we press the button. The second function is reset. It will be used for second button with the same name. Its function would be to reset the digits to 0 when it is pressed. I have mentioned count value as 0. That's it. Let's run our program. Press the button to increment the number by 1. Press reset button to again start counting. Have fun.